Long answer type questions from trigonometry from board exam 2023. Read out the question first, then transform the entire story into a pictorial representation. Then it will be very easy. This will be very easy for you to solve the problem, right? A ladder set against a wall at an angle 45 degree to the ground. A ladder set at 45 degree angle, right? If the foot of the ladder is pulled away from the wall through a distance of 4 meters. Pulled away, that means ladder you are pulling. That means automatically the angle is reducing and it is going away from the wall, right? It slides a distance of 3 meters, so automatically it will slide down 3 meters down the wall, making at an angle 30 degree with the ground. Find the final height of the top of the ladder from the ground and length of the ladder. Very, very simple question. Just first draw the diagram. Okay, let's see. Okay, so now if you transform the entire story into pictorial form, that is how it's look like. So AB is considered this rectangle triangle ABC. AC is the length of the ladder where it is touching the wall at point A. So AB, that is the initial height on the wall, that is at the ground level. From the ground, the initial height of the ladder, that is AB. Now, when this ladder is pulling away 4 meters, this CD is 4 meters, pulling away 4 meters, then it is slipping on the wall or sliding down for 3 meters. So A equals to 3 meters. So now initial angle of the ladder at the ground level, that is angle ACB, that is 45 degree. When the ladder has been pulled away from the wall for 4 meters, then it is making the angle with the ground, that is 30 degree, that is EDB or BDE. For triangle EBD, rectangle triangle EBD, angle EDB equals to 30 degree. That is what it is given. What do you need to find out? You need to find out the final height of the ladder from the ground, that is BE, you need to find out. And also you need to find out the length of the ladder, that is either AC or D. Got it? So you need to find out the final height of the ladder from the ground B, what is the value, and the length of the ladder AC equals to D equals to. So any of this value you can find out, either AC or D, because the length of the ladder, that is not getting changed, right? So these are the given information. This is what you need to find out. समझ में आ गया problem? So A is 3 meters, CD is 4 meters. That is given. Okay. Now just look into this triangle. Rectangle triangle ABC. Since this angle ACB, it is 45 degree and this is 90 degree, that means angle BAC, that is also 45 degree. So it is a rectangle isosceles triangle. Therefore AB equals to BC. Okay. So if AB equals to BC, already you know what is the value of B. B equals to AB minus A. And what is the value of, because when you will consider this rectangle triangle EBD, you know EDB, that is 30 degrees. So tan 30 degree if you consider, so it will be BE by BD. You don't know the value of B, so B equals to, you can write it down like this, B equals to AB minus AE, that is AB minus 3. And BD equals to BC plus CD, BC equals to also AB, since ABC is an isosceles rectangle triangle, so AB plus 4. So now let's write it down like this. So from rectangle triangle ABC, angle ACB equals to angle BAC, that is equals to 45 degree. Since these two are equal, these two angles are equal, therefore AB equals to BC, AB equals to BC. Let's assume it is X. So AB equals to BC equals to X, that is what we are assuming. From triangle EBD, EB, B by BD, that is perpendicular by base, that is equals to tan 30 degree. Now you can represent B with respect to AB minus AE, and BD is BC plus CD. Now AB minus AB we have assumed this is X and AB equals to BC. Therefore BC is also X, right? AB and BC both are X, right? X minus 3 by X plus 4, that is equals to 1 by root 3. Okay. So here if you simplify the value of X, it will come 4 plus 3 root 3 by root over 3 minus 1, that is equals to AB. So what is the value of B? B equals to AB minus AE. So B equals to AB minus AE. AB is 4 plus 3 root 3 by root over 3 minus 1, and AE equals to 3. So if you simplify this, it will come 7 by root over 3 minus 1. So now you can keep like this, or you can you should make the denominator root free, that is the rational number. So you can multiply with root over 3 plus 1 both numerator and denominator, or you can put the value of root over 3 straight away. So 1.732 minus 1, that is 0.732, 7 by 0.732, whichever you like, but normally we should avoid root over in the denominator part. So this is one answer. You need to simplify further. This is one answer. This is what we have already found out. Now you need to find out क्या निकालना पड़ेगा, जो ये लैडर जो है, ये लैडर का लेंथ क्या है? लैडर का लेंथ क्या है? लैडर का लेंथ इधर से अगर AB निकल B निकल गया मतलब ये BD जो है इधर से tan 30 से निकल सकते हो वैल्यू, और AB जो है, AB का वैल्यू हम लोग ऑलरेडी निकल चुका है 4 प्लस 3 रूट 3 बाई रूट ओवर 3 माइनस 1. ठीक है, अगर AB निकल गया है तो for AB triangle, from triangle ABC, if you know the perpendicular and this angle is 45 degree, AC का वैल्यू क्या हुआ? Sin 45 degree. So perpendicular by hypotenuse. So AB by AC, that is equals to sin 45 degree, that is equals to 1 by root 2, and from there you can find out the value of AC. Got it? So from triangle ABC, AB by AC, that is equals to sin 45 degree, perpendicular by hypotenuse. So उसका वैल्यू क्या है? sin 45 degree 1 by root 2. So AC equals to root over 2AB. So ये AB का जो वैल्यू है इधर से replace the value of AB, उसका बाद उसको थोड़ा simplify करो. That is what another answer. So this is the length of the ladder. Got it? This is a kind of question. Already I have uploaded another long answer type question from board exam, CBSE board exam class 10. So this is the kind, just you need to transform the entire story into pictorial form. Then it will be very simple, and just you need to simplify a bit the calculation. Rest is absolutely, I mean it's not at all a hard one. So it looks good for you people. Now you understand. Thank you very much.